Hey everybody, welcome to Mountain Beaches. For those that are just joining us, I'm Norm.
And I'm Kim.
And the good news is, I'm here. I'm upright.
The big question is how is Norm doing?
Overall, I'm doing pretty darn well.
Yep. He had a little bit of a down day, but I think that's to be expected. It's only been how long now?
10 days. Yep. So for those of you that don't know, I had back surgery. It's been 10 days now, and getting my back fixed up so we can get back out on the road. We were on the road when it happened, when it went out on me, and we've been home ever since.
Yeah, we've been home for a while now.
So I got that taken care of, and I just wanted to, gosh, we've had so many people write and say thank you and share their love, and I just wanted to tell you thank you for caring and for commenting to us. So yeah, sharing your own experiences.
Absolutely. It makes a big difference, and we really appreciate it. So, we don't really have much to tell you right now because we haven't been out and about. It's kind of been like Groundhog Day.
Yep, very much so. Between COVID and my back, we can't go anywhere.
Yep. But today, I went on a long hike with my girlfriend, and then on the way home, I stopped at the farmer's market and some other local fruit and vegetable stands around town. And look at all this fun stuff that we got.
Yes.
Yes, we are going to cook up a storm.
We've got some blackberries and raspberries and fresh green beans,
fresh peaches and broccoli,
corn,
4 ears of corn,
bell pepper, all of this grown locally, and
a little bit of bacon. Everybody needs bacon. So when we were watching, which one was it? You, Me,
and the RV.
Yeah. They told us a recipe, or not just us in particular, but they shared a recipe. They both are doing keto. I think she's doing it more than he is.
Yeah.
And we are not keto. I am an intermittent faster. I follow the intermittent fasting lifestyle. And Norm, not so much at all.
Not at all. I fast in between meals.
But, so when I am eating, I want to make my food, it's called window worthy. And if you're interested in this at all, I would suggest that you follow Jen Stevens. She wrote Delay, Don't Deny, and she also wrote Fast, Feast, Repeat.
And we'll put those down in the description below.
Yep. And we're not associated with her whatsoever, except for I think that she's just great. It's important for me to eat good food when I choose to eat. And this just kind of covers it all. And so going back to You, Me, and the RV, they shared a recipe that was barbecued hamburger, grilled hamburger.
Right.
But let's see, grilled hamburger.
Had cheese on it.
Had cheese on it. That's where we get our Cache Valley cheese. And then you take a green pepper and slice it up thin so that it's the circle wise. And then you fry an egg in that and you put it all on top of the hamburger. And it is absolutely
We've had
delicious.
it already.
Yeah.
We're having it tonight as well. And it's really good. No bun, just the meat and and the egg and the bell pepper and the cheese. And I guess we're going to have some green beans.
We're going to have some corn on the
corn.
cob with it, and also some green beans. That's where the bacon comes in. You got to love a little bacon fried up along with your green beans.
Bacon goes with everything.
It does. It does.
So.
But the piece de resistance is
dessert.
Fresh peaches, no sugar on it. Just slice up the fresh peaches and put it over a really nice, high quality vanilla ice cream. So that's what we're going to do tonight.
Yum.
He loves it when I'm eating.
Yes. Yes. So we just wanted to thank you so much. We're going to show you our meal as we end this video. Just a short video to check in with you so that you know I'm doing okay. I'm standing here.
Yeah, he's standing there, and I keep on putting my arm around his back, and that's not a good thing.
Right on my incision.
On his incision. But yeah, so anyway, thank you so much for following us, for just being a big part of our lives.
And your concern. It's been amazing and overwhelming.
Yep.
Thanks so much.
Bye-bye.